Chmelaeon.com here with the Air Care brand of permanent air filters. That's right, these are permanent air filters. They're high-tech filters that never need replacement, and they have a lifetime warranty. So they are truly built to last, and they are also made in the US of A. We always dig here and that at Chmelaeon. By the way, Amazon link below to buy these things. And before we go any further, we actually have it on the agenda to build a Made in America section at Chmelaeon.com. So be sure to keep an eye out for that as well. But we'll have links for these filters below. And this is basically the prime thing that this company is known for, these permanent air filters. They come in all different sizes. We have 2 sizes here. And we're going to run through the label of this thing, and then I'm also going to read off their product description in Amazon to let you guys know what the company claims on these and what they can do. So let's get straight into it, starting now. Okay, this is the Air Care Electra Silver. This is an antimicrobial electrostatic air filter. Permanent, high-tech filter, never needs replacement, lifetime warranty. Cleaner air to breathe, removes pollen, dust, and pollutants, up to 94% arrestants, whatever that means. No harmful ozone emissions. Antimicrobial materials inhibit the growth of bacteria and mold. Benefits you and your family can live with. For cleaning instructions and warranty information, see the reverse side or visit our website at aircare.com. So I'm not going to unbox these because these are orders, but what I will tell you is this. From the description in Amazon, it basically seems like you just take them out and you spray them down with a hose and like that's it. It's very self-explanatory. They're very easy to clean. And I'm going to read off their Amazon thing. EPA registered antimicrobial material, galvanized frame with a durable, attractive finish. If you guys want to take a look at that material, it bends a little bit too. But it's very, very heavy duty. You can tell this thing's made in America. Permanent and washable. Just hose off and reinstall. That's what it says right on their Amazon page. And I'm going to read their product description. So Air Care electrostatic air filters are 10 times more efficient than the standard disposable filter, which I usually think is made of cardboard. By switching to a permanent electrostatic furnace filter, the air inside your home will be cleaner and fresher. Our furnace filters, Air Care furnace filters, are electrostatically charged to trap up to 94% of the dust and allergens in your home. I guess that's what it means by arrestants. Just easily wash the filter every 1 to 3 months and put it back in place. The sturdy galvanized frame will stand up to the test of time with a limited lifetime warranty and 100% money-back guarantee. You got to dig that. Why not make the switch to a permanent air filter? Electrostatic air filters clean the air by using static electricity, a safe, naturally occurring phenomenon. An electrostatic charge is generated by air flowing through a maze of static-prone fibers. Airborne particles are attracted and held by the static charge until released by washing. All Air Care electrostatic air filters contain an EPA-registered antimicrobial material to inhibit the mold and bacteria growth on the air filter surface. The air you breathe contains many irritants such as pollen, dust, bacteria, and mold spores, pet dander, and smoke. Most of these particles are smaller than 1 micron. Our electrostatic air filters are an effective and efficient way to reduce the number of these particles in your air. The illustration shows the typical dust loading pattern of the electrostatic fibers. This unique characteristics improves airflow while providing maximum filtration, cleaner air to breathe, no harmful ozone emissions, removes pollen, dust, and airborne particles, high dust holding capacity, less house cleaning, never needs replacing. Wow, was that a mouthful? How about it, Chmelaeon? Are you done talking? Okay. Anyway, that's basically it. They come in all shapes and sizes. I will also have an Amazon link to the Air Care full line of products. They have like whole house humidifiers, and they have like UV disinfecting lights. They have a few cool things on their Amazon page, and just like humidifier stuff too. But these are heavy duty permanent air filters. That's what the company's known for. And we're going to go out on that note. Chmelaeon.com is out. Be sure to check out the Amazon link below if you never want to replace your air filters again. These are the brand that I highly recommend. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com because we have a ton of different more affordable air filters if you want to go that route as well. That's it. Chmelaeon.com.